Grief is such a weird emotion. I'm just so overwhelmed with a lot of love with no place to go.
Saben y te quiero. Dale, abrazame otro rato. Déjame te soy sincero. Tiene tiempo que yo trato. Llevo tiempo buscando a quien cantarle sobre cuando me siento vulnerable. Dale, abrazame otro rato. Apapáchame la vida entera.
Because you're not attached to anything. And today I want to let you know that the house of God is still God's plan to produce the greatest version of you. It's me out when everybody wants to know exactly what God has for them right now. He's cutting on you because he has use. I don't care if you got no.
Okay, thank you. This doesn't smell good. Like they disinfected it. Yeah. No. Hi guys, it's another day. It's been like 3 days since I last vlogged. Anyway, I cut my hair again because I pray that I'll be able to share the reason I'm cutting my hair. But anyways, guys, I'm so excited. I had to make a visual entry. Remember I said that, like 2-3 months, like a month or 2 months ago, I said that I can't swim and I really want to learn how to swim. I'm gonna make a brain, and I found the person to teach me how to swim. Today is my first day of the swimming class lesson, and so I'm going for my swimming class and I'm very excited. So I thought I should turn on my camera and make this visual entry. I sadly won't be taking my camera, but I will take a few snippets on my phone. Hopefully I don't get overwhelmed or I forget or something, but I will insert something here of my swimming class. This is my first one. Also, I don't know if I want to share this, but I have like a bad relationship with water, like falls, swimming pools, and like I'm feeling that thing from the throat. Oh, I didn't know this was gonna make that chikonko on the throat. Anyway, I lost my best friend I think 4 years ago, and it was because of water. He drowned, and I've noticed that every time I see like a pool or a swimming pool or something like that, like I just get that fear. So this is very important to me. I need to learn how to swim so that it never happens. I don't know. Bye guys. I swear, I promise I didn't mean to like get into my feelings. I really thought I had processed like the grief of losing my best friend, but I really thought I processed the grief of losing my best friend until now. Grief is such a weird emotion, I'm not going to lie. I'm just so overwhelmed with a lot of love with no place to go. Anyway, I want to learn how to swim so that I don't feel that fear or trauma when I see the pool or a waterfall or something. I remember I went for a ride with my friends and it was like near a water park, and I was so out of place because I don't know, guys, I don't know how to explain it. But anyway, I'm going for my first swimming class. I'm not going to take my camera because I don't want my camera to enter water or anything, but I will film whatever I can. I didn't mean to cry, I'm sorry.
Abrazame otro rato. Déjame te soy sincero. Tiene tiempo que yo trato. Llevo tiempo buscando a quien cantarle. Sobre cuando me siento.
When did such things start to excite me? Hi guys. That people say 1 minute you're young and the next you're excited about microwaves, pressure cookers, rice cookers. I got my first microwave. No, and if you're new here or maybe you don't know, when I moved to my first bigger apartment, this house was literally empty. There was no TV, there was no TV stand, and this is the last thing on the list of the things that we're purchasing, and I'm so happy for myself. Guys, I don't know if it's just me, but I'm really just a deep girl. Like, small things will excite me like this. I could talk about this in depth, but let's unbox the microwave. I just got like, I think it's white. I just got a random one because I meal prep my food now because I'm a responsible adult. So it's pointless if you have meal prep food and then you have to use the pot to warm your food or just put it back on the pan. So I said, let me get myself a microwave. And it's here. Like, really, 1 minute you're young, the next minute you are thinking about microwaves, and I guess this is the plate. I'm so happy for myself. How to carry this? Where is my address? I hope my address is not in any of these. Okay, it's on this side. But this is our new microwave. We should put it in the kitchen, yeah? I'm so happy. It's just a standard one, but I'm excited. Let's find a place to put it in the kitchen, okay? I'm thinking it should go in that corner. I think it should go there because let's try it. I'm thinking it should go here. That is, do you want it like this or like, let me move this. You can say that way. I'm thinking it should go here. Let me see how it looks from here. I don't know how I feel about it being there. Let me just play around. I don't know, maybe it should be like, no, definitely like this. I think we're going to settle for it being here like so. I don't know. I'm thinking it should be here. Yeah, I think this is gonna work. I'm gonna let you know how I decide to like where it's going to be permanently. But I'm thinking this looks cute, but what do I do with that corner? Do I add my kettle or do I, let me not confuse you guys. So guys, I ended up settling for this. I want to show you, but at the same time I want you to see. I ended up settling for this, and my storage cans and the kettle and the blender just fit in perfectly in the space that the microwave left there. I really thought it was smaller, but this would do, and it's so pretty. It's really pretty. Not gonna lie, and I'm so happy. There's literally nothing inside, but let's try it. It's working. Yes, it's working. Yes, yes. Cute. Love adulting. Like, this feels good to be an adult with a microwave. Is low. Hi guys, I made it safely to Shein. What time is it? And I just walked out. My friends have gone to school because they have a class. My battery is, I've quickly changed the battery, saying that I made it safely to Shein. My friends have gone to school because they have a class, and I was so tired. I wanted to go with them and just see. No, I didn't want to go with them, but Tasha was like, no, Tasha went to work in the morning, and then later she has a class. I think it's the same class that Dell also has. So they're like, you should come. But I was like, it's okay. And I really wanted to go, but then I think I was so tired, so they just let me sleep. Anyways, I made myself a plate to eat because I was hungry. It looks messy, but trust me. Coleslaw, rice, and some chicken from our house, because last time I said I was going to vlog and I don't want to overpromise. So I have the camera, I have the batteries, I have the card, so I might vlog as I can, because at the end of the day I also need to be in the moment. But I'm gonna ask Tasha if she needs me to run any errands. I need to buy water. So I just realized that I did not properly start off the vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're coming across this channel for the very first time, hi, my name is Natasha. I am Zambian, but I currently live in China. Into the degulas, the besties of this channel, hi my inch, hi my doll, hi Kasana, I hope you're well. I am currently in Shein. It is my friend's birthday weekend, so we sort of have a birthday get together. So my friends Del and Tasha and some of Tasha's friends will be here, and I will hopefully carry you guys along because I really want to document this just for memories, so when we're older we can look back. So that's it. I am just going to quickly eat my food because I'm hungry, and then later, I think in like 45 minutes, I'm going to ask Tasha if she needs me to run any errands, if she needs me to go to IKEA or something, because I'll just be home until they're done. I might as well just go out and explore what Shein is like. I don't get to go out in the day. One thing I've noticed, I feel like the summers here are very hot because my city is not as hot as this place. So I'm gonna finish eating, take a shower, and then I'm gonna ask Tasha if she needs me to run any errands, and then if they're not errands, we're not going anywhere. We're going to wait for them to come back. But if they're errands, I'm gonna take you guys with. My batteries are low, but I'm hoping that they will charge. Can you guys see me? I'm trying to vlog. This is not my house, but I'm trying to vlog in a place where I don't expose their house. Let me know. Guys, before my friends get back, I want to show you what the station looks like. I have been sober for 2 months, but they have wine glasses here and shot glasses. This is cute. I want these for my house. This is a fancy. This is so nice for ice cream or a young mocktail Niana. It's so pretty. Okay. And then they have some glasses here. They also have plastic cups, Hunter's Guard, brutal fruit. I'm gonna try this one. I guess I'll have to break my sober streak, but I'm excited because I watch a lot of South African YouTubers that drink this kama cocktail. I don't know if it's mocktail or whatever, but brother, this one, any tequila, any Bacardis, maybe the brutal fruit. I've never tried Hunter's Dry before, but it's looking good. Hi guys, much later. I cannot be bothered because it is so hot. Like the heat in the city is insane. It's so crazy. It's crazy. It is so hot. It is very hot. I'm on my way to IKEA because I need to run an errand. I need to pick up some glasses. I told you guys, I don't know if I told you, but I need to pick up some glasses that Tasha wants to have like a cocktail. I don't know what she wants us to do, but like she ordered the glasses online and they didn't arrive on time, or they just sent one. So I'm going to IKEA to see if we can get something similar. I also need to check for something else. I got her a few gifts, but I just feel like they're not enough. So I want to see if I can get like something, because Sana. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. My friends are still at school. Then after that, they're going to go to the supermarket, and then I'll meet them at the house. But I don't even want to complain about how hot it is, but it is very humid. The humidity is insane in the city, but it's good to see Xi'an in the day. The people are really friendly, not going to life. Like, even when I got the taxi place yesterday after I landed, everyone was really nice. They're like, oh, where are you going? Not in a way of trying to suffocate me, but you could see that they were trying to be as helpful as they can, which I'm going to just wear like so. But I don't see myself wearing a wig unless it's somewhere I need to be, because I feel like if I even installed a wig right now, it would lift. So yeah.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't.
The glass section, but I think I just need to show them what I want at this point. But we're going to settle for these, so we're just gonna I don't know why. I don't know if I've become old or I've just grown up. I'm just so at peace being here. Like, I feel like I've grown up. I even went upstairs. I can't wait for a time when me and my husband are shopping for like our house or home with our kids. So delusional, but I really like this. It's so pretty.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall, that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, get to taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will.